All right, Vikes, 2 more. All right, we've had autos. We've had relics. Let's go auto relic. Let's go veteran. Like a good veteran. That's what we haven't hit yet. I think it's been all rookies, right? I'm with you on that one. All right, here's a fatty. Oh, how about a 1 of 1? How about a hit and a 1 of 1 plate? All right. Number to 99, Ben Roethlisberger. And 1 of 1 plate of Jarvis Landry. Rookie 1 of 1. Very nice. Heck yeah. And it's really blue. 162, Brandon Marshall. And your hit. Oh, it's blue. That could be Bills. That could be Giants. Is that Sammy? Oh, it is. Sammy Watkins. 14 of 15. Beautiful. Now that's a box. 1 of 1 rookie plate with a Sammy Watkins quad. 14 of 15. Is that jersey numbered again? It is. Isn't he 14? I think you hit him again. 14 of 15, jersey numbered. Attaboy. And another fatty. All right. Jerome Bettis, the bus. Dion to 50. And Nick Foles to 162. It's going this way. Frank Gore, 14 of 20. Quad with a patch. 14 of 20. Frankie Gore.